Hello.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel.
Today I am reviewing. I'm doing a look with the James Charles Morphe palette and sort of giving my thoughts on the eyeshadows on the way through. This is what it looks like on the inside. I love this. So today I used this little like section of purples. I've never done a purple eye look before, not even like, not on here or in my life. My face isn't included in this video because I'm literally still using the same stuff that I've been using for the past, I don't know, 5 years. I'm still on Fenty Hype, Fenty foundation, Fenty primers, Fenty multi-sticks, Fenty lip gloss. Fenty. If you want to see me play around with this palette and see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. I'm so pale right now, I'm literally like blending in with the walls. It's enough, isn't it? Oh god, I look rough. I'm gonna prep my eyes with the P. Louise base. I've got mine in the shade 0.5, which really is too light for me, but I don't mind it when I'm doing eyeshadow because it covers it anyway and it kind of makes the colours like stand out a little bit more. Now you're not really supposed to set this base, but I've not really mastered blending on top of like a wet base yet. Apparently he like formulated the colours different, so I think some of them are meant to be quite hard to blend. I think what I might do is set my eyebrow to blend that bit easier, but not set it heavily, so I think I'm going to set that with this colour called Canvas and just run that like over my eyebrow area. Right, let's start, shall we? First colour I'm going to use is the colour Pinkety Drinkety, which is this one here. So I'm going to basically stick to these 6 colours. I'm going to use that as like my transition colour. Going up a little bit, not as much on camera. I'm going to mix in a couple of warmer browns because I don't really want it to look like I've been punched in the face. So I'm going to use the colours called James. Okay, that's much more pigmented. I'm dragging that out here a little bit because I'm going to try and wing out my eyeshadow. Emphasis being on the word try. But it's really just completely covered up that pink, so that's okay. So that's like just a base for our eyeshadows to blend into. This brush is like stained dirty, but we're going to use the colour Skip, which is the bright pink. Okay, we're going to use a little bit. We're not going to go too crazy with this colour because it is like a luminous pink. Next, I'm going to go into the purple called Single. I'm going to use a MAC 217. That was a Morphe M433, that brush. This is a MAC 217 that I'm going to be using with the purple. I'm putting a little bit on that brush to start with. I'm kind of like putting a little bit on, building it up rather, because I don't know what the pigment's going to come off like at first, so you don't want to put it on really thick and then ruin your whole eye. I'm going to use Love That, which is the shade just above the purple I used. This one, which is a bit more of a like a cranberry colour. We're going to just try and deepen that up on the outer corner. I'm going to use the glitter in the middle, so I'm doing like a bit of a cat eye here. So I'm patting it on the outer corner in a little V shape, patting it on and then blending it into the front and blending it out in a little V, and then just making sure to join that all up together. I'm going to go back to that first brush that I used. This is an M441 from Morphe, the one I used with that brown, and just go over the edges a wee bit. I'm going to pick up some more of that pink colour and just go over the edges just to make sure that that's all blended out. So next I'm going to go back in with my 217 and I'm going to use Escape, which is the darkest purple here, and I'm going to use that to really deepen up the outer corner before we go in with the glitter. I'm kind of like sticking the brush in and like wiggling it around in the same spot rather than carrying the product too far across my eyelid. pop it where you want it and then wiggle your brush back and forth, and the bristles on the brush will sort of do the work for you. So stamping that on, wiggle. Stamping wiggles. Liking this so far. I'm going back and forth with this purple and just deepening it up. I'm gonna use the glitter, which is what made me want to do this purple look, which is this colour Artistry. It's probably not going to pick up very well, but it's like a purple, blue, glittery, like duochrome thing. Love it. I'm going to use my Pilaries base. I think this is an accent brush, it's the tiny wee one. Whatever kind of brush you've got like this, I'm going to use that with the base.
Base. I like the buttery biscuit base.
We're not going to make it a cut crease, we're going to just clean it up so that the glitter has something to stick to, because when I've swatched it I've noticed that you really need to like have it on something sticky. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to use my, as always, Primark brush, which I recommend everyone gets. It's like a little packing brush on one side and a little pencil brush on the other. And it was like £2, but I use it all the time. So I'm gonna dig into that colour Artistry, really packing it onto the brush. Wow, wow, wow. I'm not worrying too much about that line because I'm gonna blend that out just now. That looks so cool. Can you see it? Hello? Look at that colour. Ignore the blending, but wow. Oh my god, I love that.
Oh my god! Wow!
I'm gonna go back in with my 217 and the two purple colours at the bottom, Single and Escape. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter purple first and just blend that over those edges. I think you could totally use that with the blues too, and it would like pull out the blue colour a bit more. I'm gonna use my Morphe M506 little brush with that darker Escape colour and really focus on blending that into the outer corner and darken it up. Okay, we're going to do the under eye quick because I'm not going to put too much under there. Actually, maybe I will. I'm going to use the Code James colour, Warm Brown first. Just like I say, you don't want to do too much with purple under your eye. Well, honestly, do what you want, but I don't want to put too much like all purple without a warm colour, because obviously your bags under your eyes are purple and it'll just sort of make it look like a really bad bag. I'm going to use my Morphe E18 pencil brush with the colour Love That, which is the more cranberry colour. And we're going to go under here, right on top of where I put that brown. So once I've gone in with that, I'm going to go in with the brush I used on the upper eye with the light pink and the brown. And I just remembered I have this little Urban Decay eyeliner. It's in the colour Plushy, which is like a dark purple. So I'm going to use that in my waterline. I'm going to use it in the upper and lower waterline, tight line. I don't even know how well this will work, it's so old. I probably shouldn't be using it, but here we are. So I've just put that in my, what's that called? Waterline. And I'm going to go in with the really dark purple and a smudgy brush if I have one. Oh, it'd be good if you could see what I was doing. I'm going to use this brush, which is like a flat brush, which might be better.
Oh, it'd be good if you could see what I was doing.
And I'm just like really packing that on. Can I just stamp in it? I have so much eyeshadow in my eyeballs. And I'm going to go back in with that M506, the small little blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the lighter purple, colour is Single, and blend that darker one. I really often just close my eyes and just hope for the best. Does anyone else do that? Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I literally just don't look. I'm like, that'll work. Ah! Ow.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I think I'm happy with that. I think I really need like an inner corner highlight because I look a little bit dead. So I'm going to use the colour Ring Light. This one. I think this look would look really good when I have tan on, because, well, it looks good now, but I look a little bit dead. I think that colour might be really nice as a face highlight if you're really pale. I'm going to use a tiny little bit of that on my eyebrow bone. And then finally I'm going to go back in with that brush again and just blend everything over one more time. So I'm going to just go and put on eyelashes. How's the new out? It's further away, I don't look as dead. So I'm going to just go and shove on some Oh, I do look dead. I'm gonna go shove on some eyelashes and mascara and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I love this colour. On my lips I'm just wearing the Fenty Diamond Milk gloss and Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude lip liner. Because I'm so pale, I literally have no lipsticks. So if any of you know like good nudie lipsticks for pale, like paper white skin, then please let me know. Final verdict. I really liked all the colours that I used. I'd really love to do a look with all these blues, and I'd really love to do it with this red. It's got like a bright red in it and I love red eyeshadows. So if you want to see that, please let me know. I don't know if this is going to be available again. Morphe are kind of like known for saying things are limited edition and then bringing them out like 10 times. So I'd probably just keep an eye on the Cult Beauty sell it, and Morphe have a UK website. So if you're looking to buy it from the UK, then just keep an eye out on the UK website, and you can even maybe drop them an email if you wanted to know. But if you do have it already, then I'd love to show some more looks with this because I've been dying to get this palette and I actually finally got it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I've really enjoyed doing this again. Do you know once you stop doing something for so long and then it really made me cringe thinking about doing it again, but I really enjoyed it. So if you want to see more videos from me, please let me know, and let me know what you'd want to see. And yeah, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!